our discussion topic about the benefits of reading
Reading.
book. After we uh, discuss the 4 points of our topics, now we'll move to the fifth or to the five
The five.
points.
This one.
Yeah, yeah, right.
You will improve your relationship.
Mm-hmm.
Reading books help understand other people better because when you read story of others, you get to know what everyone is fighting their own war. So you give time and change to each other to make things right.
Oh,
Relationship. Relationship with anyone.
yeah. It can
It's like
be
empathy.
it can be friends, it can be parents or family. Relationship is so common,
Oh, yeah.
common term. So maybe here,
Or it's like empathy. Or
yeah, or we know someone's feeling,
oh,
we
like
get
that.
to understand what happened to them. So have you any experience when you are reading book or reading anything? Because if you only make it narrow with just reading book, because we read only some few books, so I think not only books, yeah, but reading anything that what is it, also improve our relationship with other. On here it is explained that when you read stories of others, you get to know that everyone is fighting their
Their
iya apa apa ya kan, their fighting, or is
their own
fighting their own
story.
war.
Oh,
So
their
you
own
give,
war.
yeah, so you give time and chance to each other to make things
Right.
right.
How about you first, Mbak? Soalnya aku masih.
Okay, I'll go first. Maybe I have an experience, but I told you before that I have ever read some stories for from reels or from TikTok. It's about someone's life.
Oh,
It's about someone's life, about someone's problem, about someone's fighting war. Yeah, indeed, it's improved my relationship. It's like when I find someone, when I met someone, I meet someone in a real life, because I read it online or someone far from me, but someone's
yeah.
story, but she or he lives far, because I'm reading online about her account, her content, or his content. But so much I read about the stories others or someone's experience, its impact to my life. I mean, my relationship with others. For example, with my sister, for example, or with my brother, for example. I get to, what is it? I get to understand. I'm not blaming. For example, because my brother doesn't have, children from his wife, and he is, what is it? He just adopt a baby from, yeah, adopt a baby from someone else. Firstly, it's like we blame, or there must be any solution like that. So I keep, maybe like it's not the only choice or the only option we choose. We can choose, right? I it's like I make, what is it in bahas in English, like mendikte, but sometimes
Controlling.
yeah, we can control their option, right?
Yeah.
We can control their choice, of course. So it's like I'm controlling them, or I'm controlling my brother. You should be not like this or like that. You should find the other solution to, what is it, about your problem. You try to make maybe you try to do therapy or traditional therapy or yeah something to make you can make have children. But because I watch or read some stories or some experience in social media in
Yeah.
reels, then and it's so much what is it problem outside there. Many people have their own problem. I believe that it makes me like I have to respect. I have to respect everyone's problem.
Oh,
We
yeah.
can and it's
We
not
cannot judge
our
them,
yeah we cannot judge them like that. We cannot judge them. We have our limitation not to control someone's
Oh,
choice or
yeah.
someone's option, not to judge them, but we have to respect that. We only can give what is it advice maybe or
Yeah,
suggestion.
advice.
So it improve my relationship. So I try what is it and I can accept that it's okay. And then maybe it's the way of your destiny maybe. So
But you already like make a suggestion.
I give suggestion, I give advice, I give
Like what example?
yeah. For example, maybe for example,
Therapy like that.
not only that. For example, maybe you need to change your personality or your ibadah like
Oh,
that to
like
get
that.
closer to your God. Maybe it's one of the tests from
Oh,
the God
yeah.
from Allah,
Mm-mm.
for example, because I don't mean to what is it to judge the wife, but the wife like doesn't wear hijab.
Oh, like that.
Yeah, so maybe start from yourself first, like being apa ya, what is it? Fix what is your problem inside,
Oh, yeah.
like that from your behavior
Yeah.
maybe, from your character, from your faith or iman. I said in bahasa iman or in English faith. So I give the advice like that.
So many advice that your family told to him.
Yeah, because we have what is it? Before that, they have also in what is it? Internal problem, like yeah, internal problem that I can mention in here. But they have internal problem and make them almost divorce
Not
like that.
because kid.
Not because the kid,
Oh, so
but
many, yeah, like maybe
like
something
any
like that.
not economy, any other problem, but not economy because my brother is a hard worker,
Oh,
hard worker husband,
yeah.
and loves what is it so much with his wife, but the problem from the wife.
Oh, gitu.
Yeah, the problem from the wife. So internal problem about that, almost divorce like that. For years they don't have kids, they don't have children.
4 years.
Yes, maybe we can suggest, or maybe you need to close to God. You need to what is it? Fix your personality, your behavior, your
And
faith.
then uh, my advice is live healthy. I mean, like change bad behavior and being healthy. It's he, it's he smoking.
No,
No.
that's why. Like this, what is it? We don't know in
The
more,
problem.
yeah, the more detail of the problem in the family, but they say the problem is from my brother because my brother cannot give the
Child.
yeah the child because maybe I don't know, maybe the
Who say that?
yeah yeah, my brother say based on the I don't know, but I'm not sure about that.
Yeah.
Because uh, we have six in my family, yeah, in my
Mhm.
family we have
6 kids.
6 children from
Children.
my parents, right?
Mm.
I'm with my brother, with Latifa, and so on.
It can be from the woman too.
Yeah, it can be from the woman too, but
So
it's
good.
from the brother. But we have a good, what is it? I don't know. We have a good,
Genetic lah.
yeah, we have a good
So
genetic, yeah. From my sister have 3 children, while my second sister have almost 2 children. From my brother still doesn't have. From my side, I have 2 children, alhamdulillah. From my and other sister, my little sister hasn't married yet. And also from my mother have 6 children. So it means that we have a good genetica. So I think I don't know. It because maybe the wife doesn't want to what is it get avoid from my brother. But my brother also loves so much, even though there is no other option except divorce. But my brother still, what is it? Still keep, yeah, still keep their marriage relationship
yeah.
like that.
Did they visit the doctor?
They visit the doctor. Maybe they
Have
do.
solution.
I don't know the detail. I don't know the detail. I'm too afraid to know about the detail
ask.
because, yeah, because I'm not too close to my brother. I close
Not
when
too close.
I was close when we were kids. But because we have, what is it? Because we have a family. I have husband and my brother has a wife. And also, if I'm afraid if I'm asking to my brother, he will think that maybe I'm judging the wife. I'm afraid of that,
Oh,
right?
that.
So it's like I have a limitation.
Dilemma.
Yeah, I have a limitation to
Dilemma.
ask more detail or give advice. So actually, the advice was from my mother more than the siblings. Yeah,
Oh yeah.
because my mother have more. What is it? Has more chance to give the suggestion or the
Yeah.
advice like that. So, but not only one content or two content, but many contents can that we read from the social media. Not only in the book, yeah. Maybe if we read some stories in from the books, maybe we also have what is it? The same effects, yeah.
Oh
The
yeah.
same impact also. So it makes me like yeah, there is like what is it, hikmah lah, ya.
Oh yeah.
Hikmah every content that we,
Good things.
yeah, good things we can take from the content, for other contents, their experience, to make us what is it, be
Grateful.
yeah, grateful, to gratitude. So yeah, I think it's right from this point. Improve your relationship. Maybe not a relationship with family, but also relationship with God. For
Oh
example,
yeah. Yeah, it's right.
like content,
That's right.
like Muslimah content.
Mm.
We also improve our relation with God to get closer to God, like
Yeah.
that. Even sometimes when we read about religion or something about Muslim or Islam thing or Islam ways of life,
Yeah.
we hate that. For
Islam what?
example,
Islam things.
Islam's way of life.
Maksudnya gimana? What? That's what.
About Islam content, for example.
Why you hate it?
Maybe, for example, if I do riba in my
Yeah.
life, and then there is a status or story from my friend about riba, I don't like it
Oh, because
because we are still in that
situation.
yeah, in that situation. Sometimes we don't like it,
Oh, I see.
or sometimes we I don't say I don't like it, but it's like I try to avoid that content because I'm still in that situation. I don't want. I just want to skip it, for example.
It's really happening.
Yes. When I was young, I'm still young. I mean, when I was just 20 or 9,
Yeah.
19, uh, I don't like to, what is it? I don't like to know about music or content about music in Islam because I
Because
like
it was
music.
haram, right?
Yeah.
But we love it.
For example, but getting more knowledge can improve our perspective
Knowledge
to
like
change.
ilmu.
Yeah, knowledge or content or what is any other reading, yeah,
Yeah.
not only books. I mean also from the book it also changes our perspective
Oh yeah.
of uh what is it, topic, of a topic like that. So it's from my side. So have you any experience about that?
Um,
Like maybe for example something that you don't like
yeah.
to, or you just want to just avoid it
Oh yeah.
because you
I
are
know.
still in that situation. I don't
Yeah.
I can still I can change my character because I
Yeah.
still want to be free, for example.
Yeah. I have.
But you know that is right.
Yeah. Uh, but in Islam we woman yeah woman kan like apa sih bukan wakil itu mbak,
Yes, I know.
like we avoid boys, yeah.
Yeah, I mean
That's
not avoid, but there is a limitation of
limitation.
relationship between boy and girl or
And
woman
girl.
and man, woman
But
and man.
in some discussion is like very apa sih make a distance, like
Mm-hmm.
we must to avoid boys. I mean in my when I still school, my study is telling me like you cannot be close with some boys, even uh, even it was war or something because it's not mahram. Like we menjaga gitu what is called like
Avoid
avoid
or keep
fitnah,
our, yeah, avoid
avoid
fitnah
fitnah, even if that's work or
in the workplace.
a workplace like that. But then now, when I work, it's like everyone in my apa
Surround
namanya,
you.
surround me was actually boy and man. The girl and woman is just a little bit, and I cannot avoid that because in this like this place was working
In this modern
yeah, in
era.
this modern era.
Modern economy. In this
Uh,
economy.
so when someone told me about not someone see, when I see like reels about that, I a bit avoid it. I mean like, yeah, just forget it.
You skip the content or the story, or
Mhm.
you I mean you avoid that, avoid the story, or avoid in real life to avoid boys or men.
Ah, gimana aja? What?
You tell me
Uh-uh.
you avoid kan,
Uh-uh.
you avoid the story, avoid just
Yeah,
skip the
just
story,
skip.
or avoid because of the story, then you
Yeah.
avoid the man or the boy.
I avoid the story.
Oh.
I avoid the content
Oh,
because
okay.
I cannot.
You were
I
still
feel
in
like I cannot do that.
Mm.
Like in this and yeah in this. Eh, yeah, I mean in my situation,
Mm-mm.
I cannot avoid that.
Yeah.
For me, I cannot. But maybe about yeah something like the haram,
Mm-mm.
I can. But this it's a bit. heavy to me because my my workplace, it was mostly boys.
Yeah. We can avoid the situation of that rule because it's in our workplace. For
Yeah.
example, I also we have a teacher
Yeah.
for I mean man, female or male teacher, but we avoid just like we only have interaction
Yeah.
only if we need that.
If we need that,
If
yeah,
we don't
yeah,
need,
yeah.
then
Why?
we work ourselves
Yeah.
in our room like that.
But for some people that have fanatic on religion, maybe they would say, "Oh, you are working, you are a woman." I mean, like they have their own apa? Their own apa sih, Mbak?
Perspective.
Perspective. Yeah, like maybe
Perception.
maybe out of the work. I mean, like drop out, iya gak sih?
Okay.
Like that for apa, avoid the fitnah like that. Kan ada tuh yang some people that really apa ya, bisa dibilang keras,
Yeah, too harsh.
relatif like that, relatif apa sih tadi aku bilang, fanatik fanatik about religion, but itu kayak yang berlebihan like that.
I see.
Kan kayak gitu pasti pikirannya, their mind is like that.
Okay, I have one experience, but not from my experience, but my friend experience. My friend in one halakoh.
One halakoh is like ngaji gitu ya?
Yeah, one halakoh.
Satu bulan.
And it is the story about the way how she how she hijrah.
Oh yeah.
So when she was young, she was interested to join a Muslim community, Islam community. Do you know Risma Cite?
Where is that?
Risma Cite is like the community or the volunteer, but masjid volunteer.
Oh, masjid volunteer.
Yeah, masjid volunteer, and it's Masjid Agung Jawa Tengah volunteer. That's why Risma Cite. Risma CT kan Masjid Agung Jawa Tengah ya. Itu berarti apa ya? Yeah, it's like a volunteer ya. Volunteer or in a community. So she was joining that. She joined the community. The way he joined my community right now is because when she recognized that in Risma CT, boy and girl can sit together.
Huh? Really?
Mm-hmm. Boy and girl can sit together like at school. Can like you know what is in English, yeah? And can sit together like
public.
Yeah, in public, like making friends with
People.
with a
Not
boy.
religion apa action apa sih? Not apa ya namanya ya? Enggak muslim apa sih? Enggak terlalu
Fanatik gitu ya, maksudnya enggak?
Enggak nih Kak, tapi kan harusnya enggak gitu ya Mbak. Even if not fanatic ya.
Yeah, it's not fanatic,
It's
but
really free.
for her, he feels that this is not the right thing. This is something not right. He feels that. But you know what? If I was in that position, I'm not thinking that. I'm not thinking like that. For me, because if I was still not hijrah I wasn't still not hijrah or wasn't doesn't know do not know about Islam things of Islam ways of life. I think it's something
normal,
common, something general for me, from my side. If I was in that position or if I was her, but she can think that this is something not not right in Islam way. So she thinks that boy and girl should be separated like that. Should be limited.
And have distance.
Yeah, we have distance. But from my side, because I was in common people from common family, do not from the Muslim family. Yeah, I'm Muslim, but do not know about the more detail about Islam. I think that was a common for me from my side. But she was thinking it's not true. That's why she joins in now the same with me my community because the boy and man and the boy and man the boy and girl or man and woman have separate.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, have separation like that. We only talk only in what is it? We only interact.
Like have.
Yeah, interact. We only interact just if we need to do interaction. Like for example, make a kajian and we need some help like maybe taking the camera or taking something that heavy.
Yeah.
Yeah. So we only interact from that. But mostly we if it's a big kajian, we need the boy or the man. But if it's only small kajian like just muslimah kajian, so we don't need them. We can do ourselves like that. So she joins the now community because of thinking that there is something wrong with the
It's really weird actually. Like why it? I mean like in that class
yeah class.
It's like really side to side. Like
Yeah.
side to side.
Yeah.
Ew.
It's like yeah we can like now like we can interact like us now. But from my side, from me, I was not thinking like that. I was thinking that that is normal. This is common because I was not know, but because when I'm at school, even in Muhammadiyah, we sit, but mostly men with men.
Yeah, like that, not side to side.
Yeah, men with men, like that. It's side to side.
I mean, like,
The rule is not like that, but it's like just random. We can sit with everyone in this room.
oh, but mostly it's like no, like mostly like girl with girl, man.
Because sometimes kan we feel comfortable when we sit or we talk or we interact with the same
Same gender.
same gender.
You see, if me and I from kids know about Islam, and so when I hear about this, it's really weird because kayak kaget aja gitu nggak bisa sebelahan berapa sebelahan. Kan setahu walaupun misalnya kajian biasa pun ya kayak ada kelompoknya sendiri gak sih kayak cowok ya udah sama cowok cewek ya bisa.
Maybe in the kajian yeah, the kajian maybe it's separated, but like from the in the volunteer, from the volunteer relawan relawan like the crew. The crew of kajian, for example, kan the crew of kajian kan so many crews kan, not only male but female also. Maybe they interact too much.
Yeah.
Like then maybe they
Can be.
fall in love, for example, or it start from there. So yeah, but if I was in that position, I'm not thinking because I don't have any kind of information before that. But after I join Islam community, oh, I just know that it should be like this. I just know. I just know it after I join Islam community. But before that, I don't know. For me, it's normal.
So from them too, it was normal.
Yes. So as long as we don't have the maklumat,
what is that?
The information before,
the
before information, we will think that that is something normal like that. Like for example, you have experience that living at home with family, parents always with family, no time with your friends, hang out with your friends until you think that this is the right thing.
Yeah, I see.
After you find that oh, it's not only thing that you do right. Actually we have also freedom.
We have our own world, like
yeah.
not for
because in other lives it's not like you all. I mean, I'm in my life. My parents give me freedom to hang out with my friends, but always, what is it? Yeah, always taking always be careful,
Yeah.
taking care, yeah, or taking careful like that lah. So and I'm just know that your life is like that, yeah, because of your story. I never know about someone's life like you, that you're always at home with your family. Wow, it's like a family, quality time with family
Too
for
much.
years.
It's really nice apa information ya. Bener kayak bikin aku tuh tahu kalau kajian-kajian di luar sana tuh jam masih tinggi gitu ya, Mbak.
Mm-mm. You do? Oh, really?
Iya, Mas. I mean like aku kira tuh nggak sampai kayak gitu.
But my question for you is that you are living with a Muslim family,
Iya.
Islamic family, because you even having class. I mean, in a Islamic school lah when you
Iya.
were young, you were kids. But in this moment or for during the time of your lives, have you ever followed, or your parents ask you, or your parents invite you to join any kajian like that?
Actually, never.
And
Like
that's it.
that's why it's kind of weird because when I tell this story about my life with my other friend, it's make them confused. I mean like, why you in an Islamic family, but why are you going to work with so many boys? Like diizinin, what is called? Diizinin apa?
Huh?
Diizinin.
Permitted?
Oh yeah, permitted with your own dad. Like why? Because they know how fanatic my family about Islam. Yeah, but in awal in
The beginning,
the beginning, yeah,
in
when first time they know about when first time they hijrah lah, istilahnya. When they hijrah, and then when I was still kids, it's really fanatic about Islam. Really parah lah fanatiknya, Pak.
but as long as I know, I don't know, but in other experience, for me, from my experience, once
Umi doang.
yes, but I'm afraid that she knows our discussion.
No.
Why? I mean, you are living in. Just try to join one kajian or to
First,
attend. To attend, for example,
what?
menghadiri.
For attend kajian.
Yeah, I have attended a kajian where the all people,
Huh?
the all Muslimah wearing black and wearing black, but not all
Yeah,
see,
I
but
know.
mostly wearing black. First time, but that time I haven't joined any Islam community. I just try to attend one kajian first, and then next second kajian and third, and so many kajian I attended first, and then when there is one kajian, there is open recruitment of internal kajian like that. Then I joined. That's why until now, after I joined Islamic, I learn about Islam. Until now, I still doing internal kajian like halakoh. Yes, it start from attending 1 2 3 kajians. But then I find my community not right now. Like my friends join Risma CT, join other community, and then she finds that the right one is this. in her perception. That's why I'm asking you, have you ever attended any kajian? Because sometimes we need the vibes of the kajian,
Yeah.
and also we need the mind or the perception of the ustadzah. I mean that giving us
Yeah.
kajian like that.
Iya benar.
Or at least I have attended Ustadz Hanan Ataki. I like it because so soft-hearted ya,
Yeah,
Hanan
yeah.
Ataki, and I really enjoyed that. And also the way she or the way the Ustadz or he explained really touch our heart.
Touch our heart, yeah.
Mm-mm.
I know. I attended. Aku pernah tau Pak. I
Have
have
ever.
ever attended but when I just in primary.
Oh really?
Really, and then no, this is never. And if I want to go to attend any kajian,
And
yeah.
you find many friends with many
Mm-mm.
stories.
But first I cannot go anywhere. You know kan?
That's
Maybe.
why I ask you about your
Uh-uh.
parents, why they don't
Uh,
join. Kan biasanya mak-mak muslimah kan they have community of muslimah gitu lah ya.
kan kajian is not sebentar ya.
Iya.
It's not apa?
Maybe
Sebentar.
1 hour, 2 hour.
Yeah. And then I must go in there, and maybe kajian it's far from my home, and uh, my parents is really hard lah because I cannot go anywhere. Maybe I can go when I go back. I pulang tuh apa ya?
Yeah, go back.
Go back from work like that, but it's just maybe 1 hour. I mean, it's really struggle, really susah banget mbak pokoknya.
So many, I mean in Semarang even so many kajian. You can ask Latifah. He attend many kind of kajian. Even he become the volunteer or the crew to make the big kajian like that. And many Gen Z also.
Many Gen Z ya,
Mm-mm.
yang kayak kajian-kajian Gen Z gitu ya, I know.
Many Gen Z, and when we find the same peserta participant is like knowing each other with the Muslimah, and then we can.
It's really apa menarik ya.
Yeah, we can make friends with her, and not only that have we can have many experience from other participants.
Oh yeah.
Because from that from my experience, I have I have so many friends from the Islamic community. Islam community. Oh, and I know everyone's background. Why you join Islamic? When, I mean, uh, what is the titik balik ya? Titik balik of your hijrah? I have so many. I know about so many background of their decision.
Why hijrah itu?
Even there is also one friend hijrah, but then come back again to the jahiliyah, for example, take off their hijab again. Now, that time he wear cadar, but now take everything. And what I know is that even they become lesbian.
Oh my
also.
god, really?
Yes.
Ew. But become like LGBT or something like that. It from Shaitan, right?
Yeah, from
Because-
Satan, and also from the his or her depression also.
Oh, depression.
Depression like
How can it be?
so many problems. For example, they cannot get the role of father, for example, or the role of mother.
But-
for example, too much demand.
Demand,
Kok
what
demand
is
sih
it?
gimana permintaannya? Tuntutan.
Oh
What is it
yeah.
in English?
Yeah,
Okay.
I know. Oh, but apa tadi yang ngomong nggak punya
Or
father?
maybe broken hearted
broken
with
hearted.
boys.
Oh, with
It can
boy.
be,
Ih, serem banget sumpah.
Yeah.
But I have gangguan like gangguan tuh apa ya?
Syndrome.
No, not syndrome. It's like
apa bipolar?
huh?
Bipolar.
No, like
Like
I mean like something I feel nggak nyaman apa ya?
not comfortable, not
Oh
feeling
yeah,
comfortable with.
I feel not comfortable with myself sometimes because
Huh?
in nowadays I dream it's from Satan. I dream that I like girls, really with girls, like fall in love and I mean like why is this happening? But it's not just once. Really, and that's why I feel scared because when I wake up, I feel like I'm really doing that with girls, but and I scared like apa ya? Aku takut banget. Kayak
Maybe it's maybe from that your experience. Now I can imagine then how can my friend become like that because maybe broken hearted with a man, maybe too love too much or say love with the
with
boy, yeah, her
yeah
boy
too much,
too
and
much,
then
yeah,
their boy is making her
heart making hurt
heartbroken like
the
that.
girl lah, hurt the
Uh-uh.
heart, make broken, and then
Uh-uh.
and also not only that, maybe she doesn't have the role of father. Sometimes when we doesn't have the role of father, that's why we find the love from other boy.
Yeah, but from other boy, not girl kan? How can it
Mm-mm.
be a lesbian?
For other boy, but because of that, we then become hate the boy because of the broken hearted.
Yeah, I see.
I don't believe I can be the boy, so
Yeah.
I prefer to have relationship with a girl because make us more comfortable
Uh,
like that.
so I have that problem. It's really disturbing me. Actually, really disturbing banget. If I sleep and then I forgot doa before I sleep, I dream like that.
Oh wow, I never dreamed like that. I mean, even you never imagine that you will dream that.
Yeah, I never imagined that. Why I imagined that? I mean, like, I'm going insane about this thing because it's really like real. I mean, like, really real. It
Oh,
feel
do you
real.
see the face of the girl in your dream?
Yes.
The face that you know, or you don't know?
Some first when I first dream about that, I don't know, but it's really that she's really beautiful and really white white skin, like pale, like I mean like she pants people.
Wow.
But then I see that their body is like naked like that. It's
Huh?
really like aku nggak sih mbak like with men bahasa like that. But this is me that dimimpin gitu kayak bener-bener is naked and doing that at me. I mean like it's really scared. But when I uh dream about that, I cannot do anything. I mean like my body is just you tuh gerak sendiri apa like that. Not I cannot controlling. But when I see really
Beautiful.
beautiful and jelas gitu loh.
Because sometimes if we are in a dream, sometimes the face is not.
Yeah, like
it's
blur
blurred.
like that.
We even forget the face. After we wake up, sometimes I was dreaming, but I forget what kind of dream.
Oh yeah, like that. But this one is really memorable, like really jelas banget. Bahkan when I wake up, I'm still apa
Remember.
remember about everything I do with her and kayak gitu deh masih keinget semua. It's really disturbing me and I don't know how to get rid of that germ. And I never told this with anyone. SKBU mbak. Bener like ini tuh bener aneh soalnya.
Maybe my friends start from dream, but I don't know. Maybe it's also start from the corruption.
option.
But sometimes, yeah, when we are depressed, it's
Jadi dikomporin sama setan.
yeah, because it's the celah or the space for Satan come to disturb us.
Disturb ya.
Yeah, come to hit us like that. It's true. It's true that our feeling when we are depressed, frustrated, when we are sad, we are in low iman. I mean, or we are angry because angry kan is from Satan.
Iya.
We are angry. It is the space. It's like open the space of the Satan to come in our body like that, to control then our body. And after the Satan come to our body, the Satan hide somewhere in our body.
Really?
Mhm.
So it can
It's like from
Wait.
it's like a jinn, for example. It's like a jinn. Not setan that bisik-bisik kita,
So
but it's like a jinn. The space of jinn, yeah, I said.
So it's jinn in my body, so how to get rid of the jinn? Maybe
Individual. Was it what I heard from Muhammad Ustad, yeah, from Ustad Muhammad Faizal that I really like about him, about his knowledge also. If we want to, yeah, we have to get closer, like to the gear, like to
Allah, yeah.
Yeah, get closer to Allah. But the first thing that we have to be consider in conscious itu apa nih ya?
Konsentrasi.
Apa to control our conscious, untuk
Conscious, what is
mengendalikan
that?
consciousness, kesadarannya kita harus utuh, harus kita bisa mengendalikan kesadaran kita tuh.
Oh, it can be.
Because karena kita ngelamun itu kan berarti kita lagi nggak kontrol kan, itu bisa, nah itu yang bisa bikin kesurupan lah atau apa itu from that kayak gitu. Terlebih apalagi dia punya masalah dan tekanan batin, for example. Jadi orang-orang kayak gitu memang punya tekanan batin, punya trauma. Itu tekanan batin itu jadi space-nya setan untuk masuk kayak gitu, masuknya jin itu di situ. Gampang banget dipengaruhi juga setelah dia masuk. Gitu.
The weird thing is that I never dream like that with boys, even it from Shaitan, yeah. I never dream that like so detailed and so realistic with boys, and never. But this girl, mbak, why? Kayak, apa sih? Aku tuh juga masih suka with boy, tapi masih suka sama cowok kan. Tapi dikasih mimpinya kayak gitu, malah nggak pernah yang sama cowok yang jelas tuh, malah nggak pernah mbak, malah jelasnya sama cewek. Nah, aku ada apa ya, tekan batin ya. Takut banget mbak, rasanya tuh.
Maybe you have a trauma, yeah. Apa sih katanya child, apa namanya tuh, trauma kecil tuh apa ya?
Childhood trauma. Childhood trauma gitu kan.
Ya gitu-gitulah mungkin.
Why baru-baru ini, maksudnya di deket-deket inilah.
Or ya, because itu kan dari simulasi, mungkin dari dulu, mungkin kayak gitu-gitulah simulasi terus. Karena nyatanya juga apa namanya, apa di ya banyak lah pokoknya pak saudaraku juga, budiku.
Kenapa mbak?
Tekanan batinnya coba bayangkan, nikah, dia dijodohkan, terus dia nggak suka, tapi usianya udah 30 tahun, dia nggak suka yang perempuan nggak suka sama yang laki-laki.
Yang dari keluarga mbak cowok apa ya?
Cowok, budiku.
Oh, bule. Bule nikahnya 30 tahun.
Malah udah tua lah, pokoknya 30 lebih. Jadi kan udah nggak laku-laku lah
jadi dijodohin gitu.
Dijodohin. Tapi nggak mau, tapi ya udahlah, dipaksa, dibujuk-bujuk terus akhirnya mau. Setelah menikah keluar tinggalnya sama mertua, dan keluarga dari si laki-laki itu semuanya mendikte bule. Terus habis itu mendikte bule, ekonomi kurang, suami tuh kayak nggak punya hard work gitu loh. Jadi ya udah santai-santai malah yang banyak kerja. Yang nggak pengangguran, cuman kayak yang banyak kerjanya itu yang perempuan gitu. Kayaknya kayak gitu terus
Jadi
didikte
nyantai gitu.
terus dia temperamental suaminya
Ya
juga
Allah,
gitu.
apaan sih?
Ya kalau mau dikasih tahu ya temperamental gitu. Jadi gitulah pokoknya itu kan berarti it's like tekanan batin until bahkan she said that she doesn't pray 3 years after married, nggak
Loh,
pernah sholat 3 tahun setelah menikah itu.
tuh bukannya kalau orang depresi sedih itu harusnya
Iya,
baliknya ke Allah
iya
ya?
karena dia problematik ya mungkin jadi sehingga mikirnya mungkin kok hidupku gini banget maksudnya jadi ya kayak gitulah tapi dia ceritanya kayak gitu jadi ya malah jadi nggak pernah
Kalau aku
sholat.
balikannya mbak, kalau aku punya masalah justru aku balik ke Allah, walaupun waktu udah senang-senang aku kadang lupa ya, tapi kayak aku tetap mikir gitu loh.
Terus
Terus
tapi
gimana
sekarang
dia?
udah sholat maksudnya udah sholat lagi lah gitulah si cowoknya nggak pernah sholat belas terus
Terus
habis sakit
katanya ada yang bilang,
stroke udah sholat lagi.
oh stroke tuh sampean
Iya stroke
yang
kan
cowok.
maksudnya udah tua kan maksudnya ini cerita zaman dulu waktu menikahnya
Pantesan
dulu
ada
gitu
perjodohan.
bahkan apa namanya apa anaknya aja juga sering dimarahin gitu sering dimarahin sama bapaknya kan bapaknya temperamental banget kayak gitu terus bahkan anaknya ada
Anaknya bule mbak itu.
anaknya itu waktu kecil aja bisa bilang apa ibu cerai wae ya harus bapak gitu bisa bilang gitu padahal masih kecil saking mungkin dia karena sering dimarah-marahin ya dan dia karena udah SMP yang cowok cewek ya kan namanya dua cowok cewek satu SMP kelas 3 apa ya kan kelas 2 ya dia udah bisa ngomong maksudnya udah bisa ngomong aku apa namanya apa bapakku ini oh dia nempelnya ibu bapak ya
Loh kadang karena lihat dari kecil kayak gitu mbak, dia tuh kayak empatin sama ibu kayak gitu loh mbak.